Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this fantastic PowerPoint template. So first of all, open up PowerPoint and add up a shape that is a circle onto the entire slide. And the next thing you're gonna do is adjust it into the middle and the center of the template. There you go. And now duplicate it, decrease that duplicated circle size and put it into the middle and center of the slide as well. Duplicate it again and decrease its size and then put it into this second circle in between the template. And there you go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is remove their outlines and select all of them, go to format shape and give picture a texture fill and add your image, rotate all of these in opposite directions and uncheck this box, go to the new slide and copy your image, and in this slide we're gonna paste the picture again, but we're gonna use other image, and right here we're gonna do the same, and we're gonna rotate this bigger circle and the smaller circle in the opposite directions. There you go. And the next thing we're gonna do is select all of the templates, go to transitions and give them morph transition. Now it's time to add some text. Add your content text, bold it, underline it, and select it. And you're gonna change its font. And let's change its color to white. Decrease its size, and we're gonna put it into the middle of the slide. There you go. Go to the Insert tab and add a text box. In it, you're gonna add your title of the template. Yeah, something like this. I'm gonna use the custom text and I'm gonna bold it, change its font into much bigger font, and I'm gonna increase its size and I'm gonna underline it. Let's select both of them and adjust them into the middle. Select this, go to icons and search for travel, and from here I'm gonna choose some pretty 4 icons regarding travel and I'm gonna insert them into the template. The next thing I'm gonna do is go to graphic fill, change the color to white, and put each of them in each of the corner of the slide. For example, I'm gonna put this board into this bottom the right corner, and I'm gonna put this aeroplane onto the top left corner of the slide. Let's adjust them, but be sure to not to move any of the circles because they're in an order and that will disrupt the morph transition. And let's move it onto the left side. And the next thing we're gonna do is select the other icons and we're gonna place them into their respective places as well. Let's move this one onto this bottom left corner of the template. And there you go. We're gonna select the icons and the text and we're gonna copy it. And on the next slide, we're gonna paste it. And there you go. Select all of them, go to transitions, and give them morph transition. So this is the slideshow. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing stuff like this.